Ito po ang Sorsogon Sports Arena. Ayan. Okay. Alright. Dito po gagawin ang Grand Pasalingaya for this year 2024 in celebration of Mayor Esther Amor's birthday. And that will be on April 17, that's a Wednesday, at 5 p.m. onwards. Okay? Minor prices, 200 Duraboxes, 500 electric fans, 500 rice cookers, 110 units washing machines, 110 units LED TVs, 110 units refrigerators. Minor prices, okay? Major prices, of course, 10 units. Major prices, 10 units brand new Toyota Wigo 2024, 110 units Honda TMX motorcycles, 100 cattles, 100 baka from Provincial Governor of Masbate, Tony Co. Of course, wag nating kalimutan yung more or less more than 5 million pesos worth of cash prizes. Sponsored by Governor Boboy Amor, Mayor Esther Amor, and the Amor family dito sa Sorsogon. So yan po, wag kalimutan, wag kayong mawawala. That will be on April 17, Wednesday, alas 5 ng hapon. Free raffle tickets to be given away starting at 10 o'clock in the morning hanggang 5 p.m. So, libre po ang ticket, walang bayad. Welcome po lahat ng gustong manalo, even from other provinces, hindi lang from Sorsogon, pati foreigners. Pwede mag-join, basta po pumila sa tickets. So yan po, huwag kalimutan, the Grand Pasalingaya 2024. Dito lamang po yan sa probinsya ng Sorsogon at sa city of Sorsogon. In celebration of the birthday of Mayor Esther Amor, the city mayor of Sorsogon City. Again, magkita-kita po tayo sa April 17, Wednesday, 5 p.m. Huwag pong kalimutang magbaon. Kasi baka abutin tayo ng madaling araw. By the way, huwag na pong isama yung mga bata. Hindi po pwedeng isama yung mga bata. Hindi rin po pwede pumasok ang mga 7 months old ng buntis. At saka po yung mga medyo may edad na uugod-ugod na. Huwag nyo na pong isama dito, ha? The Grand Pasalingaya 2024 in Sorsogon City and the province of Sorsogon. Sponsored by Mayor Esther Amor and Governor Boboy Amor. Kita-kits! Alright?